Hey guys, welcome to Digit. Right here we have the Boult Audio X1 earphones. So as you can see on the box, these are wired earphones. Let's look at the box to see if we can figure out anything else about the earphones. So on the side here you can see that we have an L-shaped connector, which is great, especially if you're gaming on your smartphone. It comes with a 1-year warranty, extra bass sound profile, HD deep bass and 3D acoustics according to the company. It also has a built-in mic as well as built-in micro-woofers. So let's open up this box and see what we have in here. So as you can see within the box, we just have a few things. The first thing we have is a Boult Audio card where you can register for warranty for the device, and you also have the earphones themselves. So now let's pull out these earphones. It takes a bit for them to be pulled out of here actually, but there you go, we've done it. So in here you can see you have the earphones themselves as well as some silicone tips and silicone wings too, which are extra variants of different sizes in case the ones that are on the earphones already don't fit you well. So here you can see we have 2 extra silicone wings as well as 2 extra silicone tips. So you do have a wide range of customizability when it comes to size and shape to ensure that you get the perfect fit for your ear. So yes, let's set this aside for a minute and look at the earphones themselves. So now let's unwrap the earphones. There you go. As you can see, the wire is pretty long and it should easily reach even if you're using it on your PC. So now let's look at the earbuds themselves. They have a nice shiny metallic sheen to them with the Boult Audio logo right at the back here. Here we have the silicone wing itself, which aids in comfort and fit even more. And here you have slightly angled nozzles on which the silicone tip itself rests. The same thing on this side as well, as you can see. Right here we have the Boult Audio logo, you can say. And here we have a mic as well as a single multifunction button for calling as well as media. Now at the bottom here you can see that we have the connector, which is a gold-plated 3.5 mm connector, and it has an L-shaped, but it is not completely L, so it does have a little bit of an angle, but it is not completely 90 degrees. You can see that the wires here are made out of rubber and they don't have any tangle-proof material on it, which means that they will get tangled in your pocket. But apart from that, the wire is pretty long, the earbuds themselves look really nice and premium. And yes, that's about it for the unboxing of the Boult Audio X1 earphones. Thank you so much for watching the video.